In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add Google Analytics to Shopify. To begin, go to Google Analytics and sign in with your Google account. Once you are inside your dashboard, look to the bottom left corner of the screen and click the Admin option, which is marked with a gear icon. This is where you manage your analytics setup and create new properties for your store. From the admin area, click the blue Create Property button. A property in Google Analytics is the container that will hold the tracking data for your Shopify store. On the next screen, enter your store name as the property name. Then choose the correct reporting time zone and currency. These settings are important because they affect how your sales and visitor data are organized in reports, so make sure they match your business settings as closely as possible. After that, click Next. You will then be asked to choose your industry category and your business size. Select the options that best fit your store, and then click Next again. After that, Google Analytics will ask about your business objectives. This helps customize the reports and recommendations you see later. For a Shopify store, a common choice is Drive Online Sales. Select the objective that best matches your goals, then click Create. Once your property is created, you will be taken to the Start Collecting Data screen. Here, choose Web as your platform. Since Shopify is a website-based store, this is the correct option for tracking traffic and customer activity. Next, enter your Shopify store URL. Make sure you type in your store domain correctly, so the data connects to the right site. You will also need to enter a stream name. A simple name like Shopify Store works well, especially if you plan to track more than one website later. When everything looks correct, click Create Stream. At this point, your Google Analytics web data stream is set up for your Shopify store. This gives you the foundation you need to start collecting website data and measuring how visitors interact with your store. Be sure to double-check the URL before finishing, because even a small typo can cause problems with tracking. That covers everything you need to know.